Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change email visibility in Copper CRM. By the way, an admin or administrator can set a default visibility for the entire account, and individual users can adjust their personal default visibility as well. So first off, for admins or administrator, you gotta go to the top left, click on your profile name or profile icon. Now click on email settings. Under preferences section, scroll down, you'll have individual email visibility control admin. Okay. You can select no, always visible by default, or always private by default. And do take note that these options right here will override any individual user settings. Or you can just go ahead and leave it to yes. Users may specify their own default visibility. Now, for individual users, just go to the same exact page, email settings as well. Now, once you're in here, you can go ahead and go to the top left, click on personal preferences. Okay, now go ahead and click on email settings and templates. Click on it and you will be landed to the same exact page. And in here, just go back to preferences, scroll down, and in here under emails, files, and links visibility, you can mark synced emails as visible and automatically relate files to records. If you don't want this, you can just go ahead and untick this box. Okay. And just do take note that switching your emails to private will also impact File Finder. Okay. Now, if you want to leave this option ticked that says mark historical emails as private as well, just leave it and hit on confirm. Okay. Also, email preferences, use Gmail signature, meaning email sent from Copper will include your Gmail signature. Now, if you don't want this one, untick it. Okay. And there you have it. That is how you change email visibility in Copper CRM. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.